Okay, now you see my intro. I'm gonna tour you to Quirino State University. And guys, ito na po yung department namin, the BEd Bachelor of Elementary Education. And ito po yung garden ng aming department. And ito po yung katabi ng aming department, which is BSBA. And ito na po yung iba't ibang department dito sa Quirino State University. Civil Engineering, Hospitality Management Department, Midwifery Department, and lastly, the Business Education Department. And now we are going to the library, kung saan pwede kayong matuto, i-search kung ano yung mga gusto nyong malaman sa buhay nyo. And now we are going to Criminology Department. Guys, makikita nyo po ang ating mabubuting mga future police. Yeah. And now, lastly, we are going to exit to the Quirino State University.